Pilipinas, kaya pa ba? Tuloy ang sarswela kanina sa Senado, courtesy of the former Senate President, aka Mr. 10K, Alan Peter Cayetano. Ewan ko nga kung hearing ba talagang napanood ko or kwentuhan lang ng mga marites. Same lang naman kasi yung pinagsasabi nila kanina sa sinabi nila noong February during their press con early this year. Walang nabago sa mga accusations. Panay maleta pa rin yung topic. Panay pakita ng mga photos here and there. Pero wala namang maleta or actual na pera na na-receive ng mga accused ang nakunan. Unless they can prove and establish that, those testimonies would remain a hearsay. I mean, gusto nating mapanagot lahat ng mga korap at magnanakaw, pero kailangan natin ng totoong ebidensya. Ang nakakapagtaka pa, may mga dinagdag silang personalities at nilaktawan during their Marites session. Unang-una, si Congressman Laila de Lima. Allegedly, binigyan nila ng envelope si Congressman Laila de Lima containing money amounting to about 5 to 10 million pesos. Sinama nila yung pangalan niya sa mga congressmen daw na tumanggap ng pera. Pero may nakalimutan sila. Ito, nakalimutan nila na nakakulong pa si Senator Laila de Lima noong 2017 hanggang November of 2023. And they might forget na hindi pa siya congresswoman nung panahon na yon. And idagdag ko pa, inamin mismo ng abogado ng ex-18 Marines na nagkamali lang siya. Na kesyo it was just an oversight or error on his part. Which is such a lame excuse. You're accusing a personality of corruption but you're not double-checking the details of your accusation? Like what the F? Another two na dinagdag are Senators Tito Soto and Ping Lacson. Allegedly, nag-deliver daw sila ng 5 maleta sa building ni Soto amounting to about 40 to 70 million pesos bawat isa. Through his personal assistant na ang pangalan ay Mark. Grabe ang detailed, right? Pati pangalan ng PA, alam na alam. Getting to know each other ba sila during the transaction? Diba? However, Tito Soto said that it's very impossible kasi hindi pa naman siya senador nung time na yon. At yung Mark na sinasabi nilang PA na tumanggap ng pera, unfortunately ay namayapa na nung 2015 pa. May he rest in peace. Dinamay pa yung patay na? At ito pa, may pinakita din silang photo of Tito Soto and Ping Lacson na nakasakay sa isang aircraft at pilit inuugnay kay Zaldico. Pero kung mapapansin mo ang photo, halatang halata na very out of context at pilit talagang ginagawa ng intriga. But apparently, Senator Lacson released the original photo, which is this. Tada! According to him, this original photo was taken in one of their campaign sorties during the presidential elections. It was a rented private plane from a company na nakadeclare yung 11 million pesos na ginastos nila sa travel sa kanyang sinubmit na statement of contributions and expenses sa COMELEC. Kaya he has nothing to hide. Well, I may not be a fan of Ping Lacson kasi ang dami niyang sablay in the past. Pero in all fairness of Lacson, siya lang yung senador na hindi tumatanggap ng pork barrel ever since he became a lawmaker. Kaya kung integrity at corruption yung pag-uusapan, he may be one of the most credible if not the most credible. My goodness, ang daming sablay. Hindi pulido ang script. Ang dami nilang dinagdag pero ang very questionable doon, ang pag-skip nila ng ilang mga personalities na involved, allegedly, based on their original script. Pag-uusapan natin yan sa next video. So for now, don't lose hope. Hope is endless.